National Emblem of India. The abacus and the Lion Capital part of the Sarnath pillar form the official national emblem. In the abacus of the Sarnath pillar, 4 animals represent 4 directions: a horse, west; an elephant, east; a bull, south; and a lion, north. The abacus has the depiction of a chakra, wheel, having 24 spokes in all 4 directions. The elephant depicts the dream of Queen Maya. The bull depicts the zodiac sign of the month in which Buddha was born, Taurus. The horse represents the Buddha's horse Kantaka, which he used for going away from princely life, and the lion shows the attainment of enlightenment. This pillar capital was built by Ashoka, commemorating Dharmachakra Pravartana, the first sermon by the Buddha. The 4 lion symbols symbolize Buddha spreading Dhamma in all directions. In the national emblem, the words Satyameva Jayate from Mundaka Upanishad, meaning truth alone triumphs, are inscribed below the abacus in Devanagari script.